Hello, hello. How are you today? I am very happy, and so is Gerald. Look at Gerald. Happy and giggling. Let's see why. Today's book is We Are in a Book. Thank you. Wink, wink. Oh, who's Piggy winking at? Us? Piggy. Yes, Gerald? I think someone is looking at us. Oh, Piggy got really close. Piggy's looking at us, kids. Someone is looking at us. Who is looking at us? Who? It's me, Mr. John. I'm looking at you. A monster? Hey, I'm not a monster. No, it is. Oh, a reader. Yeah, because we are reading the book. A reader is reading us. How is a reader reading us? The reader is reading these word bubbles. The word bubble. We are in a book. Oh, we are in a book? Yeah, Gerald. You didn't know that? Whoa! That is so cool! Wow, so cool. We are in a book! We are in a book! We are being read! We are being read! Ooh, excited. Oh, standing on his trunk? Oh, I have a good idea. I can make the reader say a word. Who? You can make the reader say a word? I can. If the reader reads out loud. Yes, Piggy, I am reading out loud. Oh, that is a good idea. That is a funny idea. Here I go. Ahem. Banana! Did you hear that? The reader said, banana! Oh, the reader said it again. Oh, banana. So funny. Do you want a turn before the book ends? The book is finished soon? Ends? The book ends? Yes, all books end. When will the book end? I will look. Checks the back. Page 57. Oh, look at the number here. Page 57? It is page 46 now. Eek! Now it is page 47. This book is going too fast. I have more to give. More words, more jokes, more bananas. I just want to be read. I have a good idea. Whisper, whisper. Oh, that is a good idea. Hello. Will you please read us again? Ah, they asked us to read the book again. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. Just kidding. I hope this works. Me too. Ah! Tickle, tickle. Yeah, you can read all the books again. Good job.